My name is Donovan Devlin, and I'm from Williamsburg, Virginia. Growing up, my dad got me into welding initially. Watching him and just the artistry and his craftsmanship, it really pulled me in. As a kid, you just want to be just like Dad, you know, and be good as him. And hopefully I can take what he's taught me and then also what I've learned here and apply it to be the best welder I can be. I heard that there were great instructors here. Some of my friends had actually gone through the program, and they said that the instructors were super helpful, they were patient, all the things that you would look for in a good teacher. My instructor, Doug, he's amazing. There's a unique feel when you come into the classroom and you're known by name and it's only a small group of you. So it's really easy to build that connection with your instructor and for them to really know you personally, but also your skills and where you're going in the class. G3 funding has been impactful, more than I can say. I'm already working full-time and, you know, I have bills just like any other young adult. So that has definitely been a huge step that I was able to take advantage of and that I don't have any debt. You know, once I get through the program, I'll just be able to roll right into my career. Right now I'm studying my flux, which is a different discipline of weld. I have a few more to accomplish before I finish the program, but with those certifications, I plan to go into welding full-time down in Newport News. Try G3 and graduate debt-free.